It's Monday morning, June 29th, and I have a huge announcement for anybody who has already purchased my July Your First 1K live challenge and anyone who is considering doing so. I have said since Friday when I launched this just 3 days ago, I have said that when we get to 100 signups, I was going to give you a huge bonus, access to something really, really amazing. Now, it's going to be for the first 100 who have signed up and for anyone else who signs up in the next few hours, days. So this counts for anybody who is in the July cohort. If you're ready, let me know in the comments. I'm so happy to tell you this. Okay. This is big. You're not gonna believe this. You're not gonna believe it. All right. So you all know that I love me some Authority X Pro, right? Anyone who is already signed up for the July cohort, your first 1K, to make $1,000 in 31 days and work with me live. We have 6 live sessions that are 90 minutes each on Wednesdays and one on July 2nd. And we have 5-minute training every other day in July. If you are signed up, or if you sign up now, you will get all of July free Authority X Pro. I'm so serious. I'm so serious. I'm not kidding. You're getting it for free. Free access to Authority X Pro, the personal version. Now, let's say you are already an AXP user. You already bought the annual, or maybe you're on the original monthly special that I had that's no longer available, but you're still on it. You're getting 1 month added to the end of your billing, which means if you have an annual, and let's say your annual is up April or May or June of 2027, at the end of it, you will get a bonus month. It has already been added to your account. So everybody gets a free month. If you are on monthly, there are just a few of you who are on monthly and also have paid for this July event, then you will get the next month will be free. Whenever your billing was supposed to happen, let's say it was supposed to happen July 3rd or June 29th or whatever. No, it would be not tonight, today. But you know what I'm saying. Then you, instead of you paying it, you will get it free and then you'll go back to paying unless you upgrade. So the basics of this is that everybody gets July or the equivalent of for free. And the reason I'm doing this is because first I wanted the 100 bonus. I wanted to thank you so much for doing this, for being part of this. I wanted to just give you something incredible, not just a little something to the side. And I wanted to show you that your offer can be undeniable. And this is an undeniable offer. The second reason I'm doing it is because I want to see you win. And Authority X Pro is my most sophisticated AI. It is so, so special. Anyone who has used it knows, and they have been singing their praises for it. And I want you to have the ability while we're doing our live sessions to take what we learn and implement it right away. To not just have the 90 minutes with me a few times in July or watch the replays or watch the 5-minute micro trainings, but to have me, my brain, my teachings, my insights, 24/7 access. So let's say you're working on something, we have our plan figured out. I've told you kind of the steps to take, and you take it over to AXP during July and you say, okay, coach, I'm supposed to do this. Tell me what I should say. Tell me what I should do. Is this a good idea? It's probably because it's trained on me going to tell you that you're to trust your instincts. But it'll be like picking up the phone or texting me anytime you want and need. I want to say thank you for the first 100. You did it. We made it to 100. My goal was 100 by July 1st, and you made it there 2 days early. So, so cool. And I want to say welcome to anyone who signs up now. Yes, you will get all of July in our live challenge, plus you'll get that July of AXP. Now, you may be wondering, what if I see this and it's July 4th or July 10th or 17th? What do I get? You're going to get the rest of July for free. You'll get the rest of July for free. Now, if you already have an account, we'll add a month to it. But does that make sense? I'm just being as logical and as simple with this as possible. So jump on in. Let's go. And I can't wait to see what number we are when you see this video. Let's go.